Hi everybody, tonight I'll be showing you guys how to make some delicious lamb rib chops over here with some onions. Very easy and delicious to make. So let's get to the recipe. Okay guys, so I got some very beautiful lamb rib chops over here. Look at that, very beautiful. So I just washed and drained them. Now let's marinate these lamb ribs. First, I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, sprinkle some salt, sprinkle some white pepper, add in a few teaspoons of sugar. I'm adding in 3 teaspoons, add in a 1/4 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, drizzle some oyster sauce, drizzle some light soy sauce, drizzle some sesame oil, drizzle some olive oil, drizzle a little bit of some brandy, add in 1 heaped teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, put on a glove and let's just give this a quick mix. Mix all these spices and sauces into these lamb ribs over here, these lamb chop ribs. We're gonna mix this up and then we'll just let it marinate for about 20 minutes in the fridge, and then we can start to pan fry them. Hey guys, let's pan sear our lamb rib chops over here. So add in a bit of olive oil. Swirl a bit. Okay, let's layer our lamb chops into the pan. We'll turn the heat to medium. Okay, I'm now going to cover it with a lid, and then we're just going to let this cook on medium heat for around 3 minutes, then we'll flip it around again. Okay, after 3 minutes, let's flip the lamb chops around. Okay, let's cover this back with a lid. After 3 minutes, we will start to cook the lamb chops without the lid so that a lot of the water moisture will escape and it will start to pan sear the lamb chops nicely. Okay guys, after 3 minutes, you can see the lamb chops has released a lot of water. So now I'm going to tune up the heat on to the highest so that a lot of this water content will be evaporated. And once it's evaporated, it will be left with just the olive oil and the lamb oils. That's what we want. Okay guys, as you can see, now a lot of that water has evaporated, and now it's left with a lot of this lamb oils, and that a lot of this lamb oil we can tune the heat back to medium. Okay guys, the lamb chops are looking good and it's almost ready. Now we can just dump in our onions in here. Okay, over here I've got 1 onion chopped into slices. Let's just chop this in and break it apart so we can soak up all that lamb fat oils in here. And also give the lamb chops that delicious onion flavor once the onions start to release its juices. Okay guys, I'm going to tune up the heat to the highest now, and now we're going to stir fry the lamb chops with the onions. Wow. Wow, smelling so good. Wow. Hope you guys give this recipe a try, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Wow, look at that. Okay, the dish is ready. The onions doesn't need to be too soft. Just check that out. Wow. Okay guys, it's time for dinner. It's been a long day. Let's eat.